Camping needs to stop. Look at them. You're bad. Like, this needs to stop. There's like 3 of them in there, and I've killed them like 20 times, and they don't get them better. Like, bro, dude, this needs to stop, bro. They aren't good. They think that they're good. You have no life. Let's listen to Joe. And yeah, you're bad. Get good. No life. But for real. Dude, look at that. That needs to stop. They just come behind you. Yeah, I'm gonna camp the jewelry store because I'm nothing bad to do. And they're all like poor too. I mean, I'm over here with $400,000. Let's see. And like every single pass in the game. Cause see if I go to jailbreak. And then they're over here balling the SWAT, acting all good. And they're all bad. Hashtag bought that. But dude, like look. They're acting all good. Which I have every pass in the game. So they can't beat me. Except that one. Nobody needs that. So yeah. I'll give money. Oh no, Mom. But dude, they're bad. They're bad. Like, it needs to stop. I'm gonna make sure this is hashtag camping cops suck. Yeah. So yeah. So they just need to stop. So peace.